To fix TV sound not working, start by checking the basics. Ensure the TV is turned on and the volume is not muted or turned down. Check the remote control for the mute button and verify that it is not engaged. Next, check the TV's audio settings to ensure that the sound is not set to external speakers or a soundbar. If it is, try setting it to the internal TV speakers to see if the sound works. Check all cables connected to the TV, including HDMI, optical, and RCA cables. Make sure they are securely connected to both the TV and the external device, such as a cable box or Blu-ray player. Try swapping the cables or using a different HDMI port to rule out any issues with the cables or ports. If you are using an external sound system, such as a soundbar or home theater system, check the connections and settings on that device as well. Ensure that it is turned on and the volume is not muted or turned down. Check the audio input settings on the sound system to ensure it is set to the correct input for the TV. Restart the TV and any external devices to see if this resolves the issue. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix the problem. If you have a smart TV, check for any software updates and install the latest version. Outdated software can cause sound issues, so keeping the TV up to date can help resolve the problem. If none of these steps resolve the issue, check the TV's audio settings menu for any advanced settings, such as audio output or digital audio format. Ensure that these settings are set correctly for your TV and external devices. If you are still having trouble, consult the TV's user manual or contact the manufacturer's support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the TV sound not working issue and enjoy your favorite shows and movies with sound.